Hello viewers, now we see exercise 2.2, question number 1. It is find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. The first one is x square minus 2x minus 8. First of all, you will find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. In class 9, you have learned how to factorize a quadratic polynomial. For this, you will see the coefficient of x square and the last term which is constant. Write these two terms in the form of product. Coefficient of x square is 1 and the last term is minus 8. You will take 8 only. Now, you will see the sign of this constant term. Constant term is negative. That means difference of these two should be equal to the coefficient of the middle term, that is 2. Means 1 और 8 इन दोनों का difference 2 के equal होना चाहिए. यदि ऐसा है, then at the place of this 2 you can write difference of these two, otherwise leave it. Now difference of these two, 8 minus 1 it is equal to 7 and not it is equal to 2. 2 के जैसा नहीं है, so leave it. Leave it. Now find the product of these two. Product of these two is 8. Now make other factors of 8. It is 4 to the 8. Now again this sign is negative. That means find the difference of these two. It is 4 minus 2, it is equal to, and this 2, it is same as the coefficient of this middle term. That is, at the place of this 2, you will write 4 minus 2. So it is x square minus, at the place of 2, you will write 4 minus 2 into x minus 8. Now remove this bracket. X square minus 4x. This minus plus 2x minus 8. Now take common from first two terms. What is common? Obviously it is x. Then you will take x common. Here you will get x and here 4. This x is taken out. Plus sign. Now what is common between these 2x and 8? 2 can divide 2 and 8 both. So 2 is common. Here you will get x minus 2 4 ja 8. Now x minus 4 is common and you will take x minus 4 common. Then here you will get x plus at this you will get 2. These are the two factors of the given polynomial. Now put each factor equal to 0 to get the value of x. Let x minus 4 equal to 0 and x plus 2 equal to 0. X it is equal to, transpose this 4 in the right hand side, its sign will be changed, it will be plus 4 and x it is equal to minus 2. Therefore zeros are 4 and minus 2. Now relation. Relationship between zeros and coefficients. Number 1, you know that sum of zeros alpha plus beta it is equal to minus b by a, where alpha it is 4 and beta it is minus 2, or you can take alpha minus 2 and beta 4. Now alpha 4 plus beta minus 2 equal to minus b. What is b? Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 2. So at the place of 2, b, you will write minus 2. By a, coefficient of x square, it is 1. It is equal to this 4 plus minus 2, that is 4 minus 2, it is equal to 2, equal to this minus plus 2 divided by 1, that is 2. Verified. Number 2, Product of zeros alpha into beta equal to C by A. Alpha, as you have seen, 4 into beta minus 2. C, what is C? Last term, this minus 8 by A, coefficient of x square, 1. 4 2 ja 8, plus into minus minus, minus 8, it is equal to this minus 8, verified. In this way, this question number 1 has been solved. Similarly, you will solve the other questions. Now we solve this. Number 3. Number 2 you will solve. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. First of all, you will arrange this in quadratic polynomial, standard quadratic polynomial. That is first x square term, then x term, after that the constant term. Then you can write this as 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Now, coefficient of x square, it is 6 and the last term is 3. Now write these two in the product form. Now see the sign of the last term, it is negative. That means difference of these two should be coefficient of the middle term, that is 7. Difference of these two, 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3, it is equal to 3. It is not same as coefficient of this middle term, 7. So leave it. Now find the product of these two, it is 18. Write another factor of 18. As you know, 2 9 ja 18. Now difference of these two, 9 minus 2 equal to 7. So at this place of 7 you will write 9 minus 2. Now it is 6x square minus, at the place of 7, 9 minus 2x minus 3. Remove this bracket. 6x square minus 9x minus minus plus 2x minus 3. Now see what is common between first two terms. 3 can divide 6 and 9, therefore 3 is common. X is present with both, therefore lower power of x is common. Here x power 2, x power 1, that x power 1 is common. 3 2 ja 6, 2, you will get 1x minus 3 3 ja 9, this x same, cancel. Plus, what is common between 2 and 3? 1 can divide both, therefore 1 is common. Here you will get 2x minus 1 3 ja 3. Now 2x minus 3 is common. 2x minus 3 is common. Then next factor will be 3x plus 1. Put both equal to 0. Let 2x minus 3 equal to 0 and 3x plus 1 equal to 0. This 2x, it is equal to, becomes plus 3, x equal to 3 by 2. And this 3x, it is equal to minus 1. Therefore x, it is equal to minus 1 by 3. Therefore zeros 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. Now verification. Number 1, alpha plus beta minus b by a. Alpha 3 by 2 plus beta minus 1 by 3 equal to minus b. What is b? B is minus 7, coefficient of x. It is minus 7 by a. What is a? Coefficient of x square, that is 6. Now solve these two LCM. 2 3 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, plus into minus minus, 2 1 ja 2. It is minus minus plus 7 by 6. 9 minus 2, 7 by 6, it is equal to 7 by 6. Verified. Number 2, alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Alpha 3 by 2 into beta minus 1 by 3 equal to c. What is c? C is minus 3. Minus 3 by a is 6. 3 1 ja 3 by 2 3 ja 6 plus into minus minus, it is equal to minus 3 by 6 verified. In this way you have seen how to make the factor of a quadratic polynomial and from the factor get the zeros of the polynomial. After getting the zeros, you will verify this relation, sum of zeros equal to minus b by a and product of zeros equal to c by a. For today, that's all. Remaining question of the question number 1, you will solve it and then we see tomorrow.